Hi, my name is Portia Jefferson, and I am the founder and artistic director of Rara Tou Limen. Rara Tou Limen is a Haitian folkloric performing arts company based in Oakland, California. In 2014, we are celebrating 10 years. 10 years of educating the community with a host of events, performances, workshops, weekly dance classes, a fête gede, an annual white party, San Francisco Carnival, you name it, Rara Tou Limen, we do it. This year we are embarking on our most ambitious project to date, and that is to take the entire dance company, the singers, the drummers, our vocalists. We are traveling to Haiti. Yes, we're going to Haiti. This has definitely been a goal of mine for quite some time, because I feel like it is important for us as ambassadors of Haitian culture here in the Bay Area to continue our cultural exchange with the artists, with the directors, and with the people of Haiti, just so they can see that the culture is alive and well and supported here in the Bay Area and also in other parts of the U.S. as well. About this project. I am dedicated and passionate about this project simply because being a dancer in Oakland, California means a lot to me, simply because I am keeping a tradition flowing. I am standing on the shoulders of wonderful women who have been instrumental in my dance career. These women have definitely kept Haitian dance, Haitian culture alive in the Bay Area, and so I am going as an ambassador of Oakland to connect to Haiti. I'd like to ask our community, our supporters, family, friends, loved ones, everyone, to please support Rara Tou Limen in going to Haiti. Again, this is our first trip going, and we really need your support. It is an ambitious project, but we are determined and we are certain that we can make it happen. We're asking for $30K, and that money will be supporting airfare for 15 to 20 members of Rara Tou Limen. It will also support lodging, transportation, baggage fees, costume fees, and just little things that we may need while we're in Haiti. We are supporting Oakland. Once we get to Haiti, we are supporting Oakland. So I'd like to thank all of you guys for supporting us in our 10 years. I am humbled with the fact that Rara Tou Limen has grown over the past 10 years. We originally started out as a small carnival group representing Haiti in San Francisco Carnival, and it has grown. The company has grown tremendously, and it is definitely because of our supporters and the people who love and support what we do and who love and support Haiti. Thank you. Aibobo. Merci.